Get leads fast with pay-per-click marketing. Paid search ads can be a great way to attract qualified traffic to your website with immediate results at both the national and local level. However, with this pay-per-click bidding process, campaigns should be managed carefully to avoid overspending, or worse still, wasting your budget by targeting the wrong audience. A properly optimized pay-per-click campaign will include the following 7 key elements, successfully combining them so they work in harmony with each other. Number 1, begin with keyword research. This forms the foundation for your campaign, and if omitted or not done correctly, can have you going off in the wrong direction from the very start and ultimately impact your valuable marketing budget. Number 2, well-crafted ad copy. Give your ad copy some thought. Make it short, direct, and include a clear and enticing call to action. Writing specific ads that properly target the intended audience will improve your performance tremendously. Number 3, A/B ad testing. Don't set your ad copy in stone. Use campaign tools like A/B testing to test and tweak your copy to help generate better results. Number 4, bid management. Pay-per-click best practices can be a bit of a tedious task to complete and manage effectively. Bid management tools monitor bids and activity and will help deliver a very reliable and consistent cost per acquisition. Number 5, relevance and landing page content. Quality and relevance of your landing page will not only give the visitor a consistent transition from your ad, it will also play a key part in how your ads are positioned in the search listings. Number 6, hone your call to action. Make sure to include a visible call to action on your landing page, making it obvious to your customers on what next step you want them to take. Number 7, results measurement. Just as keyword research is a critical starting point, measuring your progress is critical to your success once your campaign is up and running. Having measures in place to monitor the success of your paid search activity will enable you to make improvements and realize a return on your digital advertising investment. If you would like help improving your pay-per-click advertising campaign, get in touch with your local WSI Internet consultant.